How to deactivate your account on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store and you have to open it on your Android by clicking on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option and you can see here at the last account center, and at the here you have to see there is an option of accounts ownership and control. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Here there you can see two options: memorization, decide what happened to your main Facebook account after you have to death, and delete after death, or deactivation or deletion of account. Now you have to click on it and you can see here you can, if you want to make your account deactivate for permanent, click on this, and you want to make it for temporary, you have to click on it. It was for you, just you have to click on continue. In this way your account will be permanently or temporarily delete. Thank you so much. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.